Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.